friends, welcome to your lighting. This is Tina, and today we will show a more commonly used magnetic is girl name. The characteristic of a girl name is concentrate property. So we need to pay attention to the problem. It's 19 out. Now we will show you the effect. Follow me. This is a shot and a distance of 1 meter. The girl name and this distance is anti-glare and not dazzling. When the distance is 15 cm, there will be glare. From the lighting effect, the girl name is not suitable for frequent activities. The tight position of the hold, which will cause discomfortable to the seats. So we will usually put the girl name in our middle aid or tail aid. Okay, next our seat. We have a different size and different voltages. Also, we have a reflective cap in different colors. If you like it, we are waiting for you to contact us. So, have a good day. See you. Goodbye.